Assalamu alaikum grade 6s. Today we are going to estimate and measure mass, okay? Now for today I gave you this exercise over here. All you have to do is guess the weight of the objects, right? And you don't actually have to guess, you just have to figure out which one is the lightest and which one is the heaviest and order them from the lightest to the heaviest, okay? For those of you that need to know, this is actually a real car, this is a toy tractor, and this is a pack of sugar, okay? Some things you might not be sure about, alright? Then we are doing converting between the units of mass. Now, what I want you guys to do is please take down this block here. I have provided it for you. Please take it down because it is very important, okay? Now, when we convert between units of mass, we are basically measuring things in different way, using different units of measurement. So we can measure something in kilograms or grams, and that is the one that we are going to be focusing on today, okay? Right, so let's look here. If we want to convert something that is in kilograms to grams, all we have to do is times it by 1000. And if we have something in grams and we want to convert it into kilograms, all we have to do is divide it by 1000, okay? Now let's look here at the example. Multiply or divide by 1000 to convert these measurements. So here we have it in kgs, so obviously we need to convert it into grams. So all you do is times it by 1000 to get it into grams, okay? And also this is where you move the easy method that I have shown you before. Let me just do it for you. So for example, if you have 4.56 times 1000, remember when you are timesing, when you're doing that, your comma is going to move to the right depending on how many zeros you have. So it's going to move to the right. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. And your comma will be there. In this space here, you are just going to put another 0. So it's going to be 4,560. And you do not need to indicate this, the comma in the end, okay? Right, let's do another example. So you can do that for all of it, okay? Let's look at the first one there. Okay, 2,860 grams divided by 1000. So it is in grams. So now we are dividing it by 1000 in order to get it into kilograms. Also, please do not forget that once you finish convert your answer, that you put the correct unit of measurement, because you will lose a mark if you don't do that, okay? Now I'm just going to show you here. Now remember when I said when you times, you move to the right. Now for division, it's the opposite. So when you divide, you're going to move to the left. So now we already know that we have a comma here at the end of the number, okay? So how many zeros do we have? 1, 2, 3. We are going to move 3 spaces to the left. Okay, so let's do 1, 2, 3. And this is where your comma is going to be. So it's going to be 2,86. Now, the 0 does not matter. Please do not put the 0 in the end. Okay, because it does not matter whether it's there or not. It has no value in the end. Okay? Right. Okay. So, you are going to complete this activity here for me. I have given you selected answers, selected questions for you to do. If you need help, just let me know. And you are going to do this activity here for me as well. Please look at the description to know which ones you have to do. You do not have to do all of them. And please let me know if you need any help, okay? Assalamu alaikum.